this video, we will look at how to process data through InstaLOD Grid using the web application. Please be aware that a master server and processing slave need to be set up first to successfully process data through InstaLOD Grid. The web application can be opened by typing the master server's IP and port number into your web browser. Here we can now enter the user account details which we have previously set up in the server.json file. Once we have logged into our Grid account, we can see three different sections. My tasks will show all of the tasks that are currently either dispatched, primed, processing, or processed, and ready for download. Tasks can be downloaded and deleted here. The grid status displays the connected processing slaves, including their individual status. Finally, under registered profiles, we can see the available profiles that were added when the server was set up. Each profile setting can be reviewed by clicking the eye icon. Let's go ahead and create a task. Here I can upload a mesh. If any additional files like textures are required, they can be added to the dependencies. In step 3, we need to specify what profile to use to process the file. In my case, I want to generate LODs, so I will be using the profile called Optimize. If desired, you can add additional metadata, including the name and description of the task, which helps with keeping your tasks organized. Priming the task will send it off to the server, which will look for an available slave for processing. Once the file has been processed, it can then be downloaded.